welcome to A Rumor of Stitches. My name is Janice, and you can find me on Instagram as KillerQueen2485 and right here on YouTube as A Rumor of Stitches. Thanks, and enjoy the show. Okay, I have all of the 4-unit pieces sewn together with a 1/4-inch seam allowance, and I have all of the 2-unit pieces sewn together. The next step is to iron everything and then attach them to the large one. There will be two pieces of the 2 units, one on each side, and then the 4-unit piece will go across the top here. And the next time you see this quilt, it will be all put together. The top will be finished, and then I'll just have to make the quilt sandwich and quilt it. Okay, one more thing I'm going to show you. The next thing to do with this is I'll have to iron it. And I've spoke about this in one of my other videos, that I like to find things that are easy, that I can sit down, and the monotonous things I can do while sitting down and watching YouTube videos. This is a case I made. I thought that when I bought my pressing mat that I bought the one with the case. I didn't. I actually went ahead and I made a case for it, and I love the make your own zipper kits that you can get, because you can put your own zippers, zipper pulls, pick whatever color you want. So I made this mat case so that I can hang up, and you can see it hanging behind me in my videos. Most of the time it's hanging up. I just hang it off of one of the shelves that are behind me. So I have this, and I have my it's a little steam fast little mini iron. You see people in other videos use these all the time. I just sit in my chair on a TV tray that I got from Walmart, and I'll show you how my little kit opens up. I have, let's see, which way is it? Oh, it's upside down. Okay, so I already had this fabric. It's just a sewing fabric I got at Joann's. It's really cute. I like all the little sewing motifs that are on it, and it looks like it's already patchwork. Well, I have a 3-sided zipper. I'm just going around the edges, and when I open it up, here is my pressing kit. I bought the mat, and it came with a silicone mat that goes underneath it to protect your table, so I just leave it in there. I take and I open it up on my TV table. I'm sitting here ironing. When it's done, I leave it out to dry, because this is a wool mat. It does absorb moisture. And here is the name if you want to get one like this. I just got it off of Amazon. There's all kinds of them. Like I said, I thought I was getting the one with the case. It was one that I looked at, but I got this one instead. I don't know why. I just did. And then I made my own case for it. So the next time that you see my Lady of the Lake Quilt, it will be all finished. And it'll be ready to make into a full-fledged quilt. Thanks for watching A Rumor of Stitches. My name is Janice, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell if you want notifications when I put up new videos. Thanks.